Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making glitch art. And as you can see, I've already made the sketch, and according to me glitch art looks really cool. So let's get started. So first of all, we will make outline of the sketch with black marker. And be careful that you make a clean outline of the whole sketch. Okay, so the outline is complete, and this is how it looks like right now. It looks really good, just without giving the effect. But we are going to give the effect now because that's the whole video about. So let's get started. So over here I'm taking a magenta color marker, or you can even take primary colors like red, blue, green, but over here I'm taking the combination of magenta and blue. We'll make borders on only one side of the line of the whole picture. So it is very easy to do it. It's not that messy, but all you have to do is be careful while doing it. Okay, so this already looks good, just with the magenta marker. I even like this combination, but we'll still use the blue marker and do the same thing which you did with magenta. Do the same thing with blue marker on the other side of the alignment of the black outline. Okay, so we are done with the blue outline and it really looks good right now. But now for more effect, we will start making horizontal lines, very thin, tiny horizontal lines on the whole sketch with blue and magenta markers, which will give a proper glitch effect. So here we go.
走って転んだ消えない痛み抱いては世界が待ってるこの一瞬を
Now we will take a white pen or a white marker or a white pencil. You can even use, if you don't have all that, you can even use acrylic colors. So over here I'm using white colored pen to make some gaps so it looks kind of, it looks glitch, it looks really cool, if it will have gaps in it and it will give a proper glitch effect. You can make gaps wherever you want to, it's not very specific that make gaps in, certain places only. You can make it anywhere you want in the whole sketch, which is really nice, I feel. And we are done. That really looks great. I'm done with the whole sketch, and whole glitch effect is coming out, and I think this is the easiest way to make a glitch effect. There are even other difficult ways, but I think this is the easiest way and anybody can make this. So it looks really cool right now according to me, and if you guys liked it, just hit the like button, share it to your friends, tell them to share it to their friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you so much, everybody. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye.